Hey pretty girls, welcome back to another video. So today I just wanted to try some color. So what I did was make my own wig out of these bundles and the closure, and I did a bleach bath until it became a color that I thought was decent, which is this sandy auburny color. You see it. So go ahead and keep watching to see how I styled it. I will say the closure was not it. It had a lot of flyaways. The texture of the closure was a lot different from the bundles, but I mean, you know, I'm gonna make it work, so I made it work for the price. You really just have to know how to work with the hair you have. Take your time, straighten it out, detangle it, comb it, whatever you gotta do. Add some shine, add some conditioner, some foam. I kind of added some of everything, so yeah. I will say though that the hair didn't give me much shedding at all. Overall, it turned out good. The hair does hold up decent, so yeah. So go ahead and keep watching to see my finished look. If you're new here or if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. I respond. And thank you guys.